You know what is the best part of your day now? You just clicked on this video. Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. I'm back with another video. Without any doubt, Bill Gates, Oprah, Ellen DeGeneres, and a countless list of celebrities have a secret recipe to be where they are now. A lot of us think is luck. Me, I don't believe in luck as much as I believe in hard work, commitment, discipline. The secret of success has always been in our hand, but the courage to make it a part of our life was the key. In other words, adopting a fruitful daily routine called habit of success is the secret behind their greatness. If it's your first time here, welcome aboard. I'm Mac, and I'm sharing each week some tips about how to be the best version of yourself. If it sounds interesting, let's reveal the secret behind their greatness. The first secret is they try again and again despite all failure. People say failure is not an option. I'm literally against this quote because failure is a part of our journey, and a well-lived life is the foundation of great life. Failure shows you what you're good at or what mistakes you have been making or doing. If you failed, it's a sign of it's not the right way. Consequently, change the way, the method, not the dream. Stay focused on your dream, but be flexible on your way to it. It has been said, build your own dreams or you will end up building someone else. Stop seeing failure as a curse. It's an opportunity to learn more. It's a stepping stone to other experiments, and life goes on. So take a deep breath, collect yourself, and be ready for another experience. And other people say quitting is not an option. I'm literally into this quote because once you quit, become a devastating habit. Good things come to those who work and never give up. It's not about how smart you are. A lot of times it's about the ability to remain strong despite all frequent failures, mistakes. So be patient, focused, and believer. One day, surely your efforts will be rewarded and will pay off. The second secret is set your own priorities. What makes the day worth living is priorities. Losing yourself in somebody else's standard like society, friends, work, or just follow the crowd is the first cause why you will never level up. It's challenging to do everything in our to-do lists. Focusing in our priorities can be a tough task to pull off, but ask yourself a question. What's the most important for you in this life? And is it that life I want to live? You have your own potential, talent to unlock, new vision to bring to life, thoughts to adopt. All this can't be real unless you determine your priorities straight once for all. I don't know, travel the world, write a book, become an influencer, pick your dream. Forget all monkey's brain around you. Focus your inner energy on your dream, goal, plan, whatever you call it. If you haven't started yet, you better start now. The third secret is informal education. Most of people need to be brainwashed because of this thought. Learning ends at school. Successful individuals make learning process in the top to-do list. Fame, greatness, success, wealth needs continuous improvement on various levels such as communication skills, relationship buildings require knowledge. In this fast changing world, if you stop learning, you will fall behind surely, and you won't be able to keep it up. In this point, a lot of opportunities will be missed. So keep a student mindset, learn from your industry and beyond, learn from others' experience. Meet people from all over the world and cultures, especially those who reach their goals. Surely you will earn more than you think. Warren Buffett said, the more you learn, the more you earn. A formal education affords a salary, but informal education affords a wealth. Lifelong learning can boost our confidence and self-esteem, makes us more adaptable to change when it happens, helps us achieve a more satisfying personal life, and challenges our ideas and beliefs and can be more fun. The fourth secret is virtual worlds versus real worlds. I've been through that a lot of times. Checking notification on Facebook, scrolling through pictures on Instagram, reading quick updates all day long without a purpose could be a waste of time. Productive people spend their time in the real world more than virtual. Social networks for them is used only to spread their accomplishment. They work in the shadows and shine on social media. All the work is done behind the scenes. In other words, what you see in the social media on Instagram, Facebook is a result of their hard work, patience, and sleepless nights. The fame they earn in social media is the reward and the reflection of a well-purpose-oriented life. And the last secret, they ride on the waves flexibly. Flexible mindset is an art. For instance, a night before, all your tasks are scheduled, organized, but in the morning everything gets out of your hand. These things came up, right? The first choice you have, stop your plan, maybe postpone it or give it up. Second choice is find another way to work it out. First choice was not and will never be an option for successful people. You get it now why? Success doesn't happen overnight. Needs time, learning, sacrifice, discipline. Are you really ready for this journey? With all that being said, if you could change one thing in your life using these advices, what would it be and what would happen as a result? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys.